Kara.
And Annabelle.
And Simon.
And we're going to read Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Here's Gerald. He doesn't feel good. Oops. Here he is. There he is again. He's sneezing. Poor Gerald. He has a cold. Pigs make me sneeze.
Gerald! What do you want to do today?
I want...
A what? A ball? A swim? A hat?
Choo!
Are you okay?
I do not know. Achoo! Can't stop Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze?
What if you tried to sneeze more softly?
Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I can't be a friend. Then we can't be friends. Then we must be apart forever.
But Gerald...
No! Don't speak. It is too late. Chew. Goodbye.
Gerald?
Are you okay, Gerald?
No. I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Matthew! Great. Now cats make me sneeze, too.
I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold.
A cold?
You are sick.
I am sick? Oh! Thank you, doctor. Piggy! 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 Great news! I have a cold!
Good for you. I don't think yet.
Can you find the pigeon? Ta-da! Goodbye!